Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss the difference between bring and bring up. Bring is a verb and bring up is a phrasal verb. How can you use these two words in your sentence? Let us get into the lesson. First, let us discuss the meaning of the verb bring. Bring means to take or carry someone or something to a place or a person or in the direction of the person speaking. Example, bring me that dictionary. It means take the dictionary to me. So, bring means to carry or take somebody or something to a place with you. Now, let us discuss the meaning of the phrasal verb bring up. Look at this example sentence. She didn't want to bring the situation up at the meeting. What is the meaning of this phrasal verb bring up here? Bring up means start talking about a particular subject. Example sentence, Rani is always bringing up her health issues. It means Rani is always start talking about her health issues. So, bring up means raise a matter for discussion or consideration. Bring means to take or carry someone or something to a place or a person, But bring up means raise a matter for discussion or consideration. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.